Welcome to Trisha and Kavyas diary. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Ramanujan's magic square. Now, can you find Ramanujan's birth date in this magic square? First, second, third, or fourth? Any guesses? This is Ramanujan's magic square which he made using his birth date. Let's make a 4x4 grid. Now let's know more about a magic square. This square was constructed to represent his birth date, making it a unique and personal creation. Every row, column and main diagonal sums are same as the sum of his birth date. Now let's see the sum of each row. Can you guess the total of each row? The sum of 19, 86, 23 and 11 is 139. The sum of 10, 24, 89 and 16 is 139. The sum of 88, 17, 9 and 25 is 139. The sum of 22, 12, 18 and 87 is 139. Can you guess the sum of each vertical lines? The total of 87, 25, 16 and 11 is 139. The total of 18, 9, 89 and 23 is also 139. And the sum of 12, 17, 24 and 86 is also 139. And the sum of 22, 88, 10 and 19 is also 139. Can you guess the sum of 4 extreme corners? The sum of 22, 87, 19 and 11 is 139. Can you guess the sum of the middle 4 squares? The sum of 17, 9, 24 and 89 is 139. Can you guess the sum of red squares and yellow squares? The sum of 18, 25, 10 and 86 is 139. The sum of 12, 88, 16 and 23 is also 139. Can you guess the sum of the diagonals? The sum of 87, 9, 24 and 19 is 139. The sum of 22, 17, 89 and 11 is also 139. Can you guess the sum of red squares and blue squares? The sum of 12, 18, 86 and 23 is 139. The sum of 88, 10, 25 and 16 is also 139. Can you guess the sum of red, yellow, white and blue squares? The sum of 10, 24, 19 and 86 is 139. The sum of 89, 16, 23 and 11 is 139. The sum of 22, 12, 88 and 17 is 139. The sum of 18, 87, 9 and 25 is 139. Did you guess the birth date of Indian mathematician Ramanujan? It's 22 December 1887. If you want to make a magic square of your own birth date, please comment down below and we will make detailed video on that. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Bye!